Good morning and welcome. My name is Peter Verischetti. As Chair of the Property and Facilities Committee of the University's Board of Trustees, I would like to welcome everyone to today's public meeting. This meeting has been duly advertised as a public meeting in accordance with the Sunshine Act and is therefore open to members of the public as observers. Participation in the meeting is limited to members of the Property and Facilities Committee and to those the committee has invited in advance to take part. This meeting is being streamed on YouTube and is also being recorded. The recording will be made available via the Board of Trustees website at a later date. A quorum of voting members of the Properties and Facilities Committee is present for the transaction of business at today's meeting. I would like to call the committee's attention to the minutes for the public meeting held on July 8th, 2021, which were included in today's meeting materials. May I have a motion in a second to approve the minutes?
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any questions or comments? All those in favor say aye.
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 Any opposed? Any abstentions? Thank you. The minutes as circulated stand approved. Today's agenda includes consideration of the renovation of 3512 Fifth Avenue for Pitt Information Technology. At this time, I'd like to call on Dr. Dave DeYoung, Senior Vice Chancellor for Business and Operations, to review the proposed project. Dr. DeYoung.
Thank you, Pete, and good morning, everyone. This project will renovate a university-owned property at 3512 Fifth Avenue to enable relocation of the university's Information Technology Department. The project will include space reconfiguration to support a new hybrid work arrangement, including hoteling stations, limited offices, and conference spaces. Other upgrades will include improvements to the building's facade, new finishes, furnishings and equipment, and upgrades to the elevator, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. The administration is requesting authorization in the amount of $5.5 million to complete this renovation.
Thank you, Dr. DeYoung. Are there any questions or comments regarding this project? May I have a motion and a second to approve the renovation of 3512 Fifth Avenue?
So moved.
Properly moved and seconded.
Second.
Is there a second? There we go. Any discussion? All those in favor signify by stating aye.
Aye.
Aye. Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstentions? Thank you. The resolution is approved. Today's agenda also includes consideration of the renovation of the Cathedral of Learning 7th floor. I'd like to ask Dr. DeYoung again to review the proposed project. Dr. DeYoung.
Thank you, Pete. This project will continue the floor-to-floor renovation of the Cathedral of Learning to modernize the space while aligning adjacencies for departments within the building. Approximately 15,700 square feet of space on the 7th floor will be reconfigured to support the Office of the Senior Vice Chancellor for Research, the Office of the Provost, and Pitt Information Technology. The space will be reconfigured and updated to meet the needs of the occupants, including lobby and restroom updates and accessibility improvements. The perimeter steam heating system will be replaced with a new hot water heating system, and mechanical systems will be upgraded to include central air conditioning. The elevator openings, which have long been closed off, will be reopened to provide direct access to the floor, and new energy efficiency lighting will be installed throughout the space. The administration is requesting authorization in the amount of $8 million to complete this project.
Thank you, Dr. DeYoung. Are there any questions or comments regarding this project? Hearing none, may I have a motion and a second to approve the renovation of the Cathedral of Learning 7th floor?
Move.
So moved. Costa.
We have a motion. Is there a second?
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor, say aye.
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 Any opposed? Any abstentions? Thank you. The resolution is approved. Today's agenda also includes consideration of the acquisition of the Marriott Residence Inn University Medical Center property. At this time, I would like to again call on Dr. DeYoung to review the proposed acquisition. Dr. DeYoung.
Thank you, Pete. The university has an opportunity to acquire the Marriott Residence Inn University Medical Center located at 3896 Bigelow Boulevard, also known as Unit 1 of the Shenley Center condominium. The property consists of 89 efficiency apartments, 73 one-bedroom apartments, and 9 two-bedroom apartments, as well as a 172-space parking garage, lounge, fitness facility, outdoor patio, and outdoor basketball court. The university has identified a need for near-term expansion in student housing capacity, particularly in apartment-style units situated near campus, and the proposed acquisition aligns with the university's real estate strategy. The administration is requesting authorization to acquire this property at a purchase price of $32 million, pending final due diligence.
Thank you again, Dr. DeYoung. Are there any questions or comments regarding this acquisition? Okay. May I have a motion and a second to approve the acquisition of the Marriott Residence Inn University Medical Center property?
So moved. Second, Costa.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor signify by stating aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstentions? Thank you. The resolution is approved. Is there any new business to be brought before this committee? There being no additional business, this